Okay, we're going to continue our build with the Star Trek Enterprise issue number 65. Let's get busy with the build.
The Enterprise D. But how?
Okay, well, we went ahead and finished that black coloring and all and got the windows. A Sharpie here. Yeah, I'm going to be coming right now. Got my instructions. Anyhow, I'm just going to go ahead and just detail these windows and let them dry. Add some blue color, a bit different here and there. I think this is going to come out pretty good. Yep. Just using a regular Sharpie that's made for windows. For glass, just a Sharpie permanent marker, but it shows up well with the glass. So I'm going to let that dry and then we'll come back and put this little piece on here. And we got to get the little lights out. Yep. My little packet. We will be back. First, I got to go see what they want. Okay. Oh, man. Let's see. We got to find our BP screw. Ooh. We want to put it right here in this one. Because that's just to hold it kind of in place. You have to put it all the way tight. Now we're gonna have to go ahead. Yeah, we got 66 windows drying here. I'll be in the next video because I want to do in that stuff. So I'm gonna put this over here and let it dry. That's what takes these videos to take. You gotta do all this in stages. Yeah, put that over there. Okay. And as you can see, I'm working on the Millennium Falcon. I got my fibers out. So after I finished these two builds, I'm going to keep working on that. Well, let me get the saucer section out and we'll continue this build. So on this PCB board, they got A's. Really look with a magnifying glass to see that. But here they are. 1 and 2. Well, get your plugs out. And you put one here and one there. Can you see with the thorn? Oof. Tell you what, began this build, I had better eyes. I think it's been at this build for about 3 years now. Yeah. When Eagle Moss went out, I'm gonna wait. Now, back, okay. Lord have mercy, this thing something. Alright. That's where it goes at. Lord knows that. And yeah, I'm just gonna go like that for right now. Alright. Oh Lord, I gotta run them. Where do they gotta run them? Okay, the LED and the red and black wires. They both have red and black wires. Oh, let me see. There we go. That black wires and the green yellow will fit in a later stage. Ah, tuck them in over here, it says. All right. Later stage. Get out the way. Now we got this one. Okay. These are going to go down like this. What you're going to wind up is with a spaghetti model of wires. And you're sitting there, you're going to be like, what? Huh? Who? Where? How? What? Man, I need a drink out of this. Hell with this. Gotta know where one wire goes and the other wire ends up. Well, I understand this. All right, get our mosey ozy wherever it is. Here we go. Now this I understand. Putting these little son of a guns in here is like trying to go to the dentist. First, let me see where you fit. Yeah. Let's see where you fit. You fit right here. Okay. Continuing that path. Clean that up. All right. Well, yeah, that path. That's, I was wondering how this is going to fit together. I'm sorry, the going camera's got to come out a little bit more. There we go. Anyhow, they got little, I remember after the video what they're called. Not before the video, after it. Anyhow, little pegs that stick out. And that's what's going to help connect it there. And then it goes in. This one, it's not that bad. Ooh, I tell you what. Putting the bottom together is a lot worse than putting the top one together. All right. So, what ends up happening, the red and black on this side. And then this is the what? The green yellow. Okay. Okay, got that in there. Here's just, oh, just in case you don't have enough of a headache. Get in there. Okay. No, that's in there. I was thinking about folks taking this whole thing apart and doing the LED wiring, but you know what? That's probably when I got my whole, but I do the big move and everything. That's later down the line. I don't even know if I want to fool with it because a lot of work went into this. But okay, so we're finished with our BP screws here, and now I'm gonna bend these just a tad bit. Always a tad bit, huh? It just kind of goes back like this, so you can fit in here. And now we're going to go ahead and whatever that is, clean that off. Now we're going to screw it down with let's see, FM screw. You gotta make sure it fits up there nicely now. Okay, with an FM screw. Okay, get our little that out. You gotta fit in. You got these little pegs here. Now you gotta make sure it goes in. I got like a little spot right here with a little pin. That's what the word I was looking for, pin. The little pin goes into there. There you go. Make sure that happens. Okay. Is that an FM screw? Did you say FM? It don't look like an FM screw. Aha. That was an EM screw. Okay. Now, that is in place. Now I'm going to get my, where the world that is. Man, the little black windows. I move one thing in the studio, and the other thing falls down. I need shelving. That's all there is to it. More shelving. Okay. Here we go. Got my alcohol wipes. I'll take care of this stuff here. There we go, nice and clean. I don't know how I got on. I guess it hooked up something. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now it's nice and clean. You got something on it. Okay. What? What are you talking about? A red one? No red bulb. Where do you see that at? Now fit the single LED red and black wire. This one. Let's see. This one. The single LED wire. Oh, man. Yeah, there's a... Oh, no, you don't. I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to spill all over there. I'll be picking up, I don't know what screw goes. You know what, folks, I think the best thing for me to do over here in model build land is go ahead and put the cap back on before I knock over that, and I won't know what screw goes to which. And that'll be all over the place. Okay, now I gotta get my clear tape. Turn around. Okay. Alrighty. The clear tape's here. I like to use the double-sided clear tape because one part of my finger can stick to it. Okay. What a mess this is. Man. Yeah, make it all the way around like this. Okay. Now you see you can hold on to this. I'll grab that and put some sticky tape here. Yeah. There you go. That holds it in there. If you don't do that, it's just... Okay, then I can get the piece I worked on the last stage. You know what? I guarantee this piece is going to wind up over there too. At some point. No, it says to keep that piece out. Oh, those bells, something's got to go there. It's okay. Now I gotta figure out where I put the other piece at. I found it. Okay. There it is. Now don't get that confused with the next step. That's the step we worked on. And it's L105. Yep, that one. Okay. And yeah, it's got the two guiding pins there. And there's you got a little lip. Has to go like this. You could spend half the day trying to get this thing together. You might learn some new words. All right. Rich Muppet by the time this thing's over. Now you got that in there. Okay. Oh. Well, hell. I gotta get 2 more FM screws. Yeah, we know. All right. Oh. All right. There we go. One. And we're going to put now number 2. Okay. All right, that's kind of got it there. There we go. Came out that little pin. Okay. All right. And that is that for 65. Okay, that completes 65. You know, black windows and painting. That took some time, but you know, the most important thing is pay attention to instructions with the wire. You get that wrong, you'll be tracing that wire for a while. Anyhow, thank you for joining me on this build, and if you haven't done so, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a like and a comment. Till next time, may the good news be yours.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.